Hey everybody, Dow Jones Dave here, and I have sold 3 of my 4 option contracts. I sold them when it was up 55% a little while ago, and I'm thinking about selling this third one because even though the S&P hourly and 5-minute are like way down, I think they're going to curl up because what we're basing this on is bonds, and take a look at the 1 hour. It's like we're going to get a correction in bonds. Now, the daily is still strongly up. 5 minutes says probably going to turn around, but this doesn't look too bullish to me. So I think bonds are going to pull back a little bit, and that may rally the markets. And also, we're right on resistance here. See that? Go to the S&P and the SPXS. Go to the 5-minute. Starting to look a little peaky. Oscillator's way up. On the hour, it's way up. This looks like it may keep going. Hard to determine because they're basing the trade off of bonds. Bonds are what are driving this. Certainly not. Or earnings could be driving it. So I'm debating whether to sell that contract or hang on to it because it's at 15. The strike is 15. 14.96. If it crosses strike, that option will blow up. So hourly still staying down on the S&P futures. 5 minutes still staying down. But we have this here on the 5 minutes, so we're probably maybe going to rally up. Don't know. We're going to get a triple dip. Looks like maybe a triple dip. It's 3:25 p.m. It's the treasury bonds that are bothering me. Even though they look like they're going to come up on a 5-minute. 5-minute cycle is a half hour to an hour. So maybe sell that option on the close. Especially since well, not on here, but if you look at the Dow, you see it. There's your beginning of resistance. See? Right there. And we're right on it. Price line is right on it. So, it's one of the reasons I sold my contracts. But you see, it's not falling anymore. Yeah, I'm out. I think bonds are going to pull back. Looks like it. Well, not quite yet. Let's see what happens here. I'm going to sell at the peak of this 5-minute bar. See, the 1 hour is looking unhealthy here. So I think bonds are going to pull back, and since I've got a really good profit, I don't want to lose that profit. 68%. Let's watch the bonds for a bit. Not that chart, this one. Five-minute maybe curling up off a double bottom. $327. See, I have problems with patience. I want to take profits. Now, if this 5-minute breaks this low, that'd be out. Yeah, I really don't like the way that's looking right there. Call it instinct, but I think it's time. And we're out. Made 52 bucks today, 60 bucks yesterday. So my account's back reasonably intact. And I'm going to watch, see what happens here. Turn it over. 1 minute's already negative. Five-minute rolls over first, then the 1 hour, etc., etc. So I could have sold them. It was minus 35 or 36. And I should have, I think. But no trade is ever perfect. At this stage, I'm just glad I got out intact, to tell you the truth. So yeah, I expect bonds are going to come down. And we'll just wait for that to cycle through and then get in short again. Or maybe we'll get the August year-end rally now as bonds decline. I don't know. Bonds are still on the 1 day. They're still going pretty strong. You see some curl in here. And that's pretty strong. But once it breaks, it's, see how they've got a zipper trend going? See, it's coming down now. It was like 14.98. All right, looks like it was a good call to cash out. And I'm cash now. This is Dow Jones Dave. And maybe we'll do some TA this evening and see where we're at now. I think we're going to see a decline in bonds a little bit. Not permanent, correction, pull back. And that's going to push the market up. Yep, 28.58. So let's see if that was a good call. And so far on the SPXS it has been. Whee! I like watching the 1 minute because it moves faster. Five-minute rolling over. So yeah, that was a good exit, and I think we caught this resistance right here. It's actually on the Dow. Like I consider the Dow and the S&PX directionally consistent. So, and remember when I said the barometer hit that was hit over 100. That was my first target right here. That there's nothing here to support any kind of. There's no support here. Your first support's right there, and we're right there. So maybe now we'll get the August rally. I don't know. We'll be looking at the technicals, and I'll talk to you next time.